Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cardfight Vanguard online. Playing digitally offers incredible convenience, allowing you to battle opponents from anywhere in the world at almost any time. Whether you are a seasoned veteran or just starting your journey, the online world provides a fantastic way to engage with the game. We will explore both official and community-driven platforms, helping you find the perfect fit for your dueling needs. Get ready to dive into the virtual arena and unleash your powerful units. For an official experience, Cardfight Vanguard Dear Days is a fantastic choice, available on PC and Nintendo Switch. It features a robust story mode and thousands of cards. Alternatively, Vanguard Zero offers a free-to-play mobile option, perfect for gaming on the go. It streamlines some mechanics for quicker matches, making it accessible for new players. Both provide a structured environment to enjoy the game with regularly updated content and official support. Beyond the official games, several community-driven simulators offer flexible ways to play. Tabletop Simulator, available on Steam, provides a sandbox environment where you can import custom assets and play with friends. It requires some setup but offers immense freedom. Untap is another popular, free, browser-based option, great for quick, casual matches without any downloads. These platforms are excellent for testing new decks and engaging with a broader community. To make the most of your online Cardfight Vanguard experience, first choose a platform that aligns with your preferences, whether it is official or community-driven. Next, immerse yourself in the vibrant online communities. They are excellent resources for finding matches, learning new strategies, and making friends. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering your decks and improving your overall gameplay. Enjoy countless hours of exciting battles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.